everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing video, and when I tell you guys that I did not expect myself to get this, I really mean it, because it was somewhat of a last minute kind of like impulse purchase before it completely sold out. So it is something from, well, the packaging says Fendi on it, but it's actually from the Fendace collection between Fendi and Versace. But unfortunately, I didn't get the Fendace packaging, like for the bag as well as the box. I didn't get the special Fendace packaging, but I did get the dust bag and also one little thing on top of that too. I'll share all of that with you guys. So I'm just going to jump straight into it. And let me show you guys this packet here that is the Fendace kind of like logo and everything. So this, I believe, came with all online orders, but it's basically like this sticker pack. You know, think about like those Apple stickers that you get when you purchase an iPhone. That's kind of like what this is. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do with these. So there's these one right here, these big ones that say Fendace on it, and then there is, let me see, I haven't really even looked through these myself. So there's this one right here. I think you get like 2 of each sticker. So this one has the Medusa head on it. And then, oh, there's quite a few more. And then there's, okay, there's like smaller versions of all those same stickers. So the Fendace one here, and then the same Medusa head, as well as this FF. And that is about it in here. So I guess when I say that I did not anticipate myself getting anything from this collection, it's because, I don't know, designers have been doing so many collabs with a variety of brands. Like there's an Adidas collab with Gucci right now, I believe, and then they're also doing one with Balenciaga, and then of course there was the Gucci and Balenciaga, was it called like the Hacker Project or something like that? And yeah, there was like a ton of other ones too. And I don't know, none of those really appeal to me. This is a little bit off topic, but I feel like it's a little bit of a cash grab because a lot of these brands don't really align that much with each other, and it's more of like just a brand coming in and just like slapping their logo on, you know, for example, like Gucci's pre-existing bags and stuff like that. So I didn't think it was anything special. So I didn't care about this collab when they first revealed it and showed the pieces on the runway and whatnot. But right before the launch of this Fendace collection, I started seeing a lot of advertising for it. And that was when I was like, they did a very good job with this collaboration. I mean, like, it's very bold and out there, and it doesn't really suit my typical style, but I can appreciate it for what it is. I mean, they really combined the kind of like signature details of both of these brands really well. But yeah, even then I was like, I can only appreciate it from afar. I can't see myself wearing these like very, very over the top broke patterns that Versace is known for. And I feel like the Versace portion of it is definitely the much bolder part of this collab. So yeah, I was like, I don't really know. But then I stumbled across this one item that I was like, this I could see myself wearing. I could actually see myself wearing it. And I had the webpage for this item essentially open the entire day of the launch, and I couldn't really get myself to hit purchase because, you know, like I like to think about my purchases before I actually buy them. And at that point, I was probably only thinking about this for like 1 day max. So it kept going out of stock, and then it would come back in stock, and then it went back out of stock again. And I was like, okay, well, that's a sign that I shouldn't be getting this. But towards the end of the launch day, I checked back on the website again, and it was in stock again. I think it said there was like 1 remaining or something like that. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to get it before I completely regret this. So that is what I have here. So yeah, like I mentioned, it didn't come with the Fendace box. Honestly, that box looks so pretty. It essentially looks kind of like this little packaging here where it's just like this gold border, and then in the middle it says all of these things here. So anyways, in here, I hope everything doesn't just like fall out. Okay, so the strap is separate right here, so it's actually like a detachable strap. And then let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's like some tags and whatnot. I'm not going to bother showing that. And then, like I mentioned, I did actually get the Fendace dust bag. So I guess this is kind of nice. If I store it in the dust bag, then I will continue to see this kind of like pretty special logo and whatnot. So anyways, the bag is what's important. Oh, I don't think I mentioned that it was a bag before, but yeah, it is a bag. And in here, let me just make sure everything is facing the right way. So it is this really cute mini baguette with these Fendace safety pins on it. Actually, I think it makes more sense to say that those are the Versace safety pins. And it has this Fendi baguette logo here. So it's like a mix of the two brands and like the little details that they're known for. But aside from that, you know, this is just, it's a black bag, so it's not like really out there. They made a lot of them with like those kind of like over the top Versace prints and whatnot. So yeah, I didn't think that I would ever wear those. So this bag came in also white as well as a light pink. And I was going back and forth between the white and the black. I think I would have been happy with either, honestly, but why I chose the black one was because I thought the white one would be too similar to my mini reissue from Chanel. So I went for the black one, and yeah, this is so pretty, honestly. The leather feels so nice, and these details are just, I mean, it was very well thought out, honestly. And I do not know why this looks so, oh, I know why. It's because this little D-ring here is sticking up, so it's making the bag look very lopsided. So these safety pins actually flip sometimes. So that's kind of like the only real nitpicky thing I have to say about it. And inside, it is lined in this kind of like fuchsia hot pink satin lining. Really gorgeous. And there are these two, maybe three credit card slots back here. So if you don't want to use a card holder, then you could just put your cards in there. This is a relatively small bag, so I think that was a nice touch if you don't want to, you know, like take up too much space. And then let's see, let me show you guys what my phone looks like in there. So it is big enough for my phone. I don't think you can really see it, honestly. Let me flip it this way. So that's my phone in there. Plenty of room for even the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I have the regular iPhone 13 Pro, but I think even the bigger one will fit in here, no problem. And let me see. I'm going to put a card holder in here too, just to show you guys what that looks like in here. And that's also going to be kind of like a transition into the next part of this video. So here's what my phone as well as the card holder looks like in here. So yeah, still plenty of space. And honestly, this is just such a gorgeous bag. I guess quickly, let me just put on the little strap to show you guys what that looks like. And this is a very good length. Like, you can carry this over your shoulder. It works for the crook of your arm, or you can just like hand carry it. Okay, so this video is taking an unexpected turn because since I finished filming the unboxing, I basically discovered that there was a lot of chipping on some of the hardware on this bag. And this almost feels like deja vu to me because the same exact thing happened around, I want to say around 2 years ago when I purchased this Lady Dior bag. There was also chipping on the hardware. So yeah, you look at the outside of this and it looks okay. The safety pins look fine. these rings, and the clasp for the strap looks okay. I haven't even taken off the sticker on this baguette logo yet. This all looks fine, but when you open it, so under here, this looks okay too. This magnetic clasp over here, that looks fine. You kind of see like there's a little bit of tarnish on some of the hardware, which I find is kind of typical of Fendi hardware in my opinion. I used to have the Peekaboo and some of the hardware did tarnish pretty badly, but okay, that's fine. I never experienced any chipping before. But so the only thing I haven't mentioned so far is these screws over here. Look at this one right here. This one is the worst one. So you can see that this bottom half of the screw is basically like 75% or so chipped off on the bottom half over here, if not even more than 75%. It's really bad. This one has a little bit by the right side over here. This one is chipping around the top. See, at different angles, you'll see it. It's kind of hard to capture because this is reflective. So you're kind of seeing the reflection of my phone as I'm recording it. Down here, you see some on, I think it's like both sides of that screw. So yeah, it's literally on all four of them. I'll also show close-up photos of the chipping on those screws. It's really, really bad. And it's all kind of starting from the center part where the slit for the screw is. So I feel like whoever was putting these on kind of like did something wrong. So maybe the screwdriver completely just like chipped it. I don't know. I'm just guessing right now. Whatever the case is, this is just really, really disappointing because, you know, this bag was pretty hard to get, honestly. And I really like it. I really like this bag. I was actually kind of thinking, like, do I want to send this into Fendi for them to repair it? I don't know. These screws seems like they probably use it on a bunch of their other bags. I mean, like, this is the baguette, right? They make this as a permanent item in their collection. Yeah, this is a limited edition collection, but I don't think that the individual pieces of hardware should be totally different. You know, it's not like those screws say Fendace on it or anything. So I feel like maybe they could, I can't open this, let me see. So maybe they could just put in new screws, but at the same time, this is a brand new item. This should not be happening. And the last thing I want is for them to agree to a repair but not be able to fix it, and then I'm just left with this item, and by that point I can't even have it returned. So yeah, I'm kind of undecided. I am, you know, the smart thing to do would just be to return this, but I am quite upset about it. I mean, everything else about this bag looks so nice. I really love those safety pins more than I thought I would, actually. So very upset about this bag. I was actually thinking of even like wearing this today actually, and I can't do that. So yeah, very upset about it. But I do want to ask you guys, if you own any of the Fendi baguettes or you own any item from Fendi or maybe even Versace, I don't know what to consider this. It is a collab, but what factory, I guess, is responsible for making this? I have absolutely no idea. But I guess at least if you have like a Fendi baguette, have you had any issues with the hardware chipping? I don't know. I'm just trying to get a sense of how typical this is. Like, should I try to order another one of these bags and see if, you know, that issue is still there or not? I really have no idea, but the way this is right now, it's definitely not acceptable. I sound so happy in the video, but yeah, I'm clearly not happy now. So anyways, like I mentioned, the card holder is kind of like a transition into the next part of this video. So it's really a long story, but basically I hit 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube back in May, and I released this video like about a week or so back, which was a giveaway video. And in that video, you know, like you had to comment in the comment section of the video in order to enter. And for some reason, YouTube was either hiding or deleting the comments. Not all of them, but like the vast majority of them were getting deleted or hidden or whatever it was behind the scenes. And yeah, it was pretty upsetting because people were emailing me saying like, why did my comment get deleted? I'm trying to enter your giveaway. And yeah, I don't know, I was upset about it because, you know, like I don't want there to be glitches on like a giveaway video. I don't know, I think, well, it does reflect poorly on me in a way, and I was trying to get it like solved with YouTube. I contacted their support team, and it's been over a week, and that conversation is going absolutely nowhere. So what I decided to do is basically migrate the giveaway over into this video. So I'm going to start tracking it through this video from now on. Basically, all the comments that I can see on the old giveaway video, which was my SLG collection video, those people have already been entered, but I think that I can only see like around 20% max of the total amount of entries that should have been there. So I think the safest bet, even if you've entered the giveaway through that video, is just to kind of like re-enter in this video. So anyways, I think you guys all want to know what the giveaway prize is. So there will be one winner, and they will have a choice of winning either this card holder here, which is this light pink caviar card holder from Chanel, or the other option is this one right here, which is an iridescent pink card holder, also from Chanel. So these are the two options. They're both really, really pretty. This one is from the 21K collection, and this one is from the 22P collection. So yeah, there will be some rules in order to enter, which I will tell you guys right now. So there are a total of 3 entries that you can enter with. So the first one is mandatory, and it's through YouTube. So I really wanted to make it so that even if you guys did not have Instagram, you could still enter this giveaway because, you know, it is to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. So I wanted to at least have one entry that is possible for people who like don't even have Instagram. So for the first entry that is mandatory, 1, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. 2, like this video, and 3, leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know, first of all, which of these 2 card holders you would rather win. The second thing is just leave in the comments letting me know what type of videos you would like to see on my channel going forward. Please make sure you don't leave your email or your Instagram name in your comment because YouTube might actually filter that away as spam. Be very careful of scammers. I will never ask you to like pay for the card holder or anything like that. So that is everything you need to do for the first entry. And then there are 2 bonus entries that are through Instagram. So for the first bonus entry, follow me on my Instagram account. It's carol.x.chan. And also you need to like the giveaway photo. I'll have a picture of it up here on the screen right now. And then comment on that photo 3 friends that would also like a chance to enter this giveaway. And for the second bonus entry on Instagram, also make sure you're following me over there and just share the giveaway photo on your stories and tag me so I can see it. And if your account is private, I won't be able to see it. So just screenshot your stories and just DM that to me and I'll count that as your entry. So yeah, those are the 3 entries that you can enter with, and this giveaway will be open until 11:59 p.m. Eastern time on June 30th. So that's the East Coast time zone in the US, and this giveaway will be open worldwide. And then I'll contact the winner soon afterwards. They'll have 24 hours to respond to accept their prize, and then afterwards I'll just leave a comment, a pinned comment on this video, as well as update the description box to show who the winner is. So yeah, that is all the details of this giveaway. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week on luxury and fashion. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you guys to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.